Meditating on the money, I hear money counters. Meditating on the money, I hear money counters. Meditating on the money, I hear money counters. Yeah. Meditating on the money, I hear money counters. 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 Milk and honey, let it flow so much that I can't count it. I'ma spread it cause I can't take it when I go with me. Financially abundant, let it fall on me.
Long
To be
time no
honest,
see, man. Last time I made a video for real about Bitcoin, it was below what, 92K or something like that. We seen it jump all the way up to 105, 106. I think after 92K, it even jumped up to like 108, 109, made a new all-time high. What we seen leading up in stocks, like through the Trump inauguration, was everybody was saying, oh, it's gonna be, the markets are gonna be really high, the markets are gonna just keep going up forever. And it's like, I've been saying, like, we're due for things to drop. Yeah, things are gonna go up over time, but we're due for things to drop, in my perspective. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and I took some L's because some stuff did rocket up that I expected to go down, but it's coming down. It looks like it's gonna be down this week coming up, you feel me? So it's like, that's the safety of buying, when you buying stocks, buying them far out with time. And then I was degen trading Bitcoin at 500 leverage for a little minute. And that was like almost a guaranteed liquidation experience. It was good to learn on that mode though, because it's like I was really putting up like $10, $20 and I run it up to like 100 and liquidate the wallet. And I'm like, dang, dog. And I'm just looking at it, but I'm just really, this is my tuition to learn, you feel me? So now I said, let me put a little 60 on there and just play with that. But I'm playing on 100 times leverage. Much easier game, man. Essentially 5 times less volatility and 5 times more probability of winning. The winnings are about 5 times less as well though, so, but they're more guaranteed, you know? And I just been seeing myself play with this, and it's like when the stock market closed on Friday, now I got Bitcoin market open 24/7, so I could tap in with that. That's how I spend my Saturdays and Sundays, you feel me? Trading a little Bitcoin. And yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I feel like what you put out there come back to you, you feel me? And it's like, I'm just trying to put out better energy, you feel me? I'm just trying to really, if you know, man. I really be spreading love, you feel me? I love spreading love through education of the stocks, but I like spreading love through education of crypto too, man. That's why I'm the metaverse president, you dig? So it's like, man, it's a trio, man. It's a trio. We got 3 main hubs, man. Metaverse president, dog. That's why you see the triangle, baby. It's 3 main hubs, baby. Metaverse president, dog. We taking over. We taking over virtually, and we taking over physically as well. But for real, man, Metaverse. That's the brand, baby. But nah, back to what we were saying though. Bitcoin appears to be kind of dropping on the weekend when everybody was, so hype about last week. Tesla had earnings, It's like seeing how these two worlds collide, the stocks and the crypto. I feel like I have a really good perspective, bro. I haven't been super crypto or super stocks really ever. But I'm enough in the loop and I'm enough like involved to actually like somewhat understand what's going on, you feel me? That's why I'm like, I don't try to like get it too techie, get it too professional, because it's like, I don't want to turn off my audience, you feel me? And it's like, if you a techie and you prep, you still my audience too. But you got to understand, our broader audience, they're like more entry level, you feel me? So it's like, you entry level, you don't get it. Like, that's why I'm trying to talk to you, dog. That's why I put it down like this. And it's like, oh, man, I was gonna start this video at 5 minutes, right? But I'm gonna just try to drag it out. And if you didn't made it this far, then you gotta drag it out all the way. You feel me? Don't diss me, dog. Cause it's like I already see how this algorithm work, dog. They trying me, bruh. It's like they trying to get me in there, but then they not getting me in there. So just rock with me. Just rock with me. And if you rock with me, I promise we're gonna make it make sense. But yeah, so like I say, on the stocks game, I feel like the ultimate thing to be is an investor. So over having $10,000 and trading it up to $1 million, I feel like you wanna be more so with $1 million making 10,000 guaranteed a month off dividends that you could trade, if that makes sense. So you still got your, so stocks, you gotta have your big nest egg in there. Like you really gotta build up. So it's an element of saving and passive investing. And what they say, scared money don't make none. So sometimes you gotta get a little risque. You gotta put a little risk on it. But the risk, as long as you got the proper safeties, is not as risky. So I say this to say what? I can essentially bet on the market to go up. I can bet on the market to go down. When I look at a chart, I zoom out. Don't just look at like the 1 day, 1 week. I zoom out. Bam. I'm zooming out. Bam, 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 bam. I might try to put a little. I might get technical with the video, man. Cause if you rocking with me, I gotta put a little effort. Like show you how this chart zooming out. Bam, 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 zooming out. Chart zooming out, right? And then you look at it and you analyze from there. I do it with my kids all the time. You can recognize a triangle, right? You could recognize, I even show my daughter the chart. You know what she's saying? Green, green, red, red, green, red, green, red. She looking at the candles. And by her saying green, red, green, red, red, green, it's like it made me say, what you think coming next? You know, like you starting to analyze the pattern, right? Like what you think coming next? So now when we zoom out at these charts, we can get a better picture. Don't overthink about what this candle means. Don't overthink about that. Just look at it and analyze the pattern and see what you think coming next. You dig? What is coming next? So now you can go off what you think as being someone who started looking at the charts whenever, or you can go based off what the metaverse president think, the guy who's making a channel that's essentially trying to bridge the gap between the trenches and the elites. You dig? You could hear that guy out and see what his view is and why his view is his view. And like understand his position. Understand that he sold 12 Bitcoins in 2017, 2016. Like he was selling Bitcoins on Paxful. He was holding the Bitcoins, $700 each. Like he might, let me go ahead and put a tweet right there. Bam. When I was copping the Bitcoins, oh God. So like let's do it like that. All right. So now we locked in. We locked in. So we understanding where he coming from. We understanding that he's like a math guy. Like people who know me for real, like it's like some of the math that I do on the spot is like when it comes to determining a tip or some shit like that, like being able to count it out right there. Like I play a little game with myself where it's like when I buy something at the gas station, like I'll do the math real quick, to add gas. So it's like I'll round it up to where it's like an even like $40. Let's say I got a chocolate bar, I'd be like, all right, let me get a $37.29 on bump. I play games like that with myself because that's how I keep myself sharp. You feel me? So it's like, and that's like light stuff, but you feel me? Like it get more deep. It's like the percentages and everything. It's like I get them on the spot. So if you understand that math is not your strong suit, you might just want to follow somebody who got a little bit stronger suit than you in math. Don't overcomplicate this. Don't overcomplicate this. I can tell you right now, I genuinely believe Bitcoin is going to drop fairly decent. Like a 20% drop, like on average, this thing has like a 50% plus drop. Like every 3-4 years type. Somewhere around there, like sometimes less than 3 years, like 2 years, a year and a half, and it'll be another 50% drop. We've seen a very large run up. We haven't really seen the 50% drop. So it's like me genuinely, like I seen like $100 to $1,000. Like I seen a $1,000 to $10,000, then back like to what? I don't know, under 1,000. Like then I seen the from like 3,000-4,000 up to 20 something thousand. Back down to 3,000 to go up to 60 something thousand. From 60,000 we went down to like 20 something thousand Bitcoin. Now we go from 20 something thousand Bitcoin to $100 something thousand Bitcoin, and people buying the $100,000 Bitcoin, expecting for it to go to 150 like next week, when they were ignoring it at $100 and $1,000. This is the times we living in. So it's like, I was there. I witnessed this. You feel me? I witnessed it. I witnessed it. Where was that again? All right. So with the stocks, it all correlates because you have stocks that are literally built off of Bitcoin price. Like Coinbase is heavily affected by Bitcoin price. I've said this on another video where it was very risky, but now I feel like it's not even risky anymore because I feel like the drop is coming and I just have to be prepared. So I have Coinbase puts. I made money off Tesla puts for a good little minute. I got in a Tesla put right before earnings. Not right before earnings, like a month before. I really didn't anticipate to hold it as long as I did, but I did. Took a bit of L on that, but then I made the money right back after earnings, just playing puts on Tesla. And then I just switched up. And I went Coinbase because I want to be just more directly benefited by Bitcoin, since Bitcoin is such a heavily factor like in my decision process. So now we back watching Bitcoin. So since we watching Bitcoin closer, I might as well trade Bitcoin. Trading Bitcoin on Coinbase wallet. It's a website called G-Trade. If you really want to trade on there, I probably got some type of referral link. I'll put it in the bio. Y'all boys could get on there. Test out your luck. They got 500 times leverage on Bitcoin. Crazy. I ain't gonna lie, it is a little hefty on the fees. The more leverage you use, something to be mindful of, which is why I kind of like that 100x range. 100x is about the most I like to I feel like you can safely trade because you can you could walk away from your phone. You could be cooking in the kitchen, doing stuff, and then check. You can have alerts. I like alerts through Robinhood, but I might start using the Weeble alerts. I don't know. I'm just a real Robinhood degen type of guy. But, what I was going to say, where we was at. So, yeah. watching Bitcoin more closely, trading Bitcoin, I'm gonna leave that link in the bio. I might as well leave Weeble referral link in the bio too. Y'all boys could get at the kid on Weeble. You know, good vibes, good things. Where is that? All right. Oh yeah, and so let me just rewind a little bit because I know I might have been using a lot of terminology that's throwing people off. I'm supposed to be for the trenches, so it's like I gotta rewind and always like kind of do a little bit slight teaching when I'm talking like this because it might go over your head and this might be your first video, so I'm taking you into account. And if you made it this far, you deserve it. So if you're looking at stock options and I'm saying calls, that means essentially a bet for the price to go up by a certain date. If I say puts, that means a bet for the price to go down by a certain date. When I'm talking about crypto, I'll say calls and puts just because I play stocks. And it's like the same thing to me. But in crypto, you're going to look at longs and shorts. Like longs are like calls, shorts are like puts. So liquidated means your whole account goes to zero. That means you didn't have a stop loss in, and when you're leveraging, that is very possible. And the more you leverage, the faster it happens. So you can try out $10, man. If you need help getting crypto, I mean, I'm not buying no crypto for nobody. But if you need help getting your Bitcoin into like US dollar coin on one of these apps, I can swap it for you. So you could send me Bitcoin and I could send you the coin that you need. I can do favors like that. I'm not taking nobody's money because I don't want no chargebacks or nothing. Ever. I don't never want your money. Only crypto. I don't never want your money. Only crypto. Because I don't got time to deal with no chargebacks. Because I know what type of value I'm providing somebody, and you never deserve a chargeback. Because you always can reach out to me if something is wrong and get it right. That's that. But yeah, man. That's the motion, man. I just like to say big ups to you if you rocking with me this long. I know I got a lot of people that watch me in the islands, in Africa, and all over the United States. I actually seen some Indonesia and Indonesia coming in and Philippines. So shout out to my people over there in the Polynesian too. You know, I got dumb love for Hawaii. I'm down there Hawaii myself. Real local brother, you dig? You fucked up. Yeah, man. Real local. Shout out to Hawaii. But yeah, man. This emotion, dog. That's what it is. You're trying to, outside of investing in stocks, next big step is getting house qualified, getting credit back qualified to buy a house. For my young people out there watching this, listen to that older person who's telling you to get your credit right. Real deal. You're 16, 17, you're coming up on 18. Don't even parlay with them, man. They got so much little apps out there to help y'all boys get right. Kickoff, self-credit, you feel me? All these little credit apps. All you got to do, sign up. Put your little $10, $20 in these little accounts every month. By the time you 2021, you got an account that's 3 years old. Your credit going to be going up, bro. Y'all boys going to be straight. Y'all boys got a lot that you can do correctly today. And if you're not in America watching this, you can disregard this portion. Or you can listen to, because one day you may get you a visa, make your way over here with the Social Security number, start billing you some credit. Self credit card, your secured credit card. All these secured credit cards, they're not the best thing. You don't got to go out here. To me, I don't think it makes sense to go and sign up for 10, 20 of these things. But like 1 or 2, just so you could get some skin in the game. And then like by the time you get a bank, you get you a little car loan, get you a little nice Honda, you feel me? Some light work. Get you a nice little Honda Easy. All you gotta do, get right. Now you straight. For my people that's a little older and that made them mistakes, you gotta get in tune with AI, man. Let them boys help you write them letters to dispute. And if you ain't gonna write the letters to dispute, what I say, especially if you're a veteran, just go to a home loan. Go try to get the home loan. Go try to get qualified. You know, if you don't got no type of income for like 2 years, then you know you gotta kind of address that. You know how to make some money on paper if you want to qualify to buy a house. And to my people that don't care about that, they ready to cash out, invest your way there. It's not hard. All it takes is a little 5 to 10% you guarantee yourself I would say 5 to 10% to me is not hard to do in a week, because on a week where I lose like 10%, in my mind, I make income. So I'm going to go out and work and strengthen that position. I'm not going to just keep strengthening a position if it look like it don't got hope. But the whole idea of me buying options 6 months out, 4 months out, 3 months out at least, I'm trying to give myself enough time to strengthen the position and catch it when it's at where I expect it to go. You might not be able to pinpoint it down to the exact week, so don't go out there trying to invest in options for that exact week or that same day, unless you know you're playing a scratch-off ticket. That's like gambling. That's a scratch-off. Unless you want to go do your 50 to possibly 100 or 200, the scratch-off, then you put your money towards longer-term options. If you can't do longer term options, then you go shares. If the options, and don't just go long term options just because it's like you can still burn and end up worthless. If it don't got no chance, it don't got no chance. Sometimes the stock price might just be too expensive for you. But yeah, man, that's all I got, man. I ain't even gonna. Obviously, that's like I be forgetting, man. My bad, man. I'm getting too in deep. But I needed a longer video, you feel me? I don't got nothing that's really too much over the 20 minutes like that. This is just rambling, but at the same point, it's like the way Bitcoin moving, the way crypto moving, the way these stocks are moving, you gotta get you some. There's no reason to not do it. Now, we didn't know how to do it before, but now you're part of the Lux fam. If you don't know how to do it now and you want to know how to do it, contact me. I don't have much subscribers. I don't have much going on here yet. So I can set up a little 30-minute meeting with you to help you learn how to set up your account and help you understand how to get in a position. You can either, I'm open to just helping out, man. That's what it is. All right? You can email me if you don't got no social media platforms. Well, I really don't check the social medias that often. I can't lie. I just started getting back on there. I had them deleted off my phone for months. So I'm just getting back in the loop with the social media. But that's what it is, man. That's what it is. We saving to build credit, and we helping people learn how to invest in the best way you can. If you're not in America, there's still opportunities for you to make money off Bitcoin and other things that don't require no social security number or nothing like that. You're just making a crypto wallet and connecting to decentralized finance, a new sector that is so crazy to think. But in my 10-year-old mind, looking at that VPR Matrix desktop computer that my dad got in the house, man, it was like, bro, this why isn't money moving like this anyway? You know, I always thought that. So now that we getting away from these physical stuff, we gonna see what it do. It's your boy signing out, man.
I'm in my zone, so all I ask is you don't bother me. I get a check, I'll do respect, break bread accordingly. I know them spirits all around me, making sure I eat. Sunshine, good times, more life, it's a new day. Create vibes, materialize your every dream today. Close your eyes, visualize and start to drift away. Yesterday is yesterday, you in a better space. Generate a passive income, make it work for me. You're not a wannabe, you can be what you wanna be. I'm lit like gasoline, cause my finance is guaranteed. I wake up, smile every day, I know I'm where I'm supposed to be. Meditating on the money, I hit money counters. 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 Milk and honey, let it flow so much that I can't count it. I'ma spread it cause I can't take it when I go with me. Financially abundant, let it follow me. To be honest, I can hear the money calling me. I'm in my zone, so all I ask is you don't bother me. I get a check, I'll do respect, break bread accordingly. I know them spirits all around me, making sure I eat. Sunshine, good times, more life, it's a new day. Create vibes, materialize your every dream today. Close your eyes, visualize and start to drift away. Yesterday is yesterday, you in a better space. Generate a passive income, make it work for me. You not a wannabe, you can be what you wanna be. I'm lit like gasoline, cause my finance is guaranteed. I wake up, smile every day, I know I'm where I'm supposed to be. Money meditation, money meditation. Money meditation, money meditation. This is money meditation, money meditation. Money meditation, money meditation. This is money meditation, money meditation. Money meditation, money meditation. We are money meditating, money meditating. Money meditating, money meditating. Rubber band man, rubber band man. Rubber band man, rubber band man.